Let's continue working with to be in German, sein. In previous lessons, we learned how to say I am, ich bin. You are, du bist. He is, ist. If you haven't seen these lessons yet, you can find them on our channel homepage. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to say she is. She is. Sie ist. Notice it's sie with a lowercase s. Remember that the Z with a capital S means you formal. So this is the Z that means she. They're pronounced the same. So context will tell the difference. So she is. Sie ist. She is. Sie ist. She is. Sie ist. Nice. Nett. Nice. Nett. I'll go through the vocabulary quickly because we've had it already in several lessons. She is nice, or she's nice. Put it all together. Sie ist nett. Sie ist nett. She is nice. She's nice. Sie ist nett. She's nice. Sie ist nett. Friendly. Freundlich. Friendly. Freundlich. Brave, mutig, brave, mutig. Funny, komisch, funny, komisch. Okay, let's review. To be, sein, she is, sie ist, nice, nett, friendly, freundlich, brave, mutig, funny, komisch. Happy was not in the lesson, but the vocabulary is here. Happy is FROH. So if you want to say she is nice as a statement, sie ist nett. She is friendly. Sie ist freundlich. She's brave. Sie ist mutig. She's funny. Sie ist komisch. She's happy. Sie ist froh. Alright, well that's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. Bis bald!